The SKA is going to be located in South Africa as well as in Australia. And the whole idea behind the SKA is to really study space. And what will happen as a result of this study is there will be a large amount of data that will be generated as these very sensitive telescopes look out into the solar system. And one of the things that IBM is involved in is to see how we can make sense of the data that is being generated as a result of the studies done by the SKA. This data will be very unstructured. There will be data that is not just the kind of data that we've been used to and know about. Working with unstructured data is something that is a challenge that IBM has been taking on over the last few years. We have had a big focus on what we call big data as the industry knows it today. Data by itself is not meaningful. The data needs to be translated into information that can be used. So the translation of data to information is what we are really focused on in the SKA, and we will then translate this also to our clients in a commercial and in a public sector arena as well. Well, from a South African context, we are proud that SKA has decided to locate one of its sites here in South Africa. From an IBM standpoint, we are honored to be involved with this site in South Africa. There will be some South African involvement in this project, both from IBM South Africa, our ecosystem partners, as well as the SKA in South Africa, which is part of the NRF here in South Africa. So it's important that South African content and South African involvement is strong in this, and we are proud that we are leading that effort from IBM South Africa to make sure that there is a strong context for South Africa. We will start developing skills that are needed in the industry here. This will create an opportunity for South Africans to be skilled in a new area, and we will stay involved and focused in helping develop the skills in this marketplace and in South Africa.